Hello and welcome to the exciting future of investments, where typical assets like bonds, stocks, properties, and funds are bought and sold instantly on blockchain. Today, we are launching Newrl, a public blockchain platform to tokenize assets and harness the power of decentralization to revolutionize mainstream investing. I'm Swapnil Pawar, the founder of ASCII, the fintech firm behind this project. On Newrl, one can convert standard assets like bonds, stocks, funds, and properties into crypto tokens of units as small as rupees 100 apiece. The beauty of blockchain technology is that these tokens then can be sold peer-to-peer and instantly settled. Now, imagine buying and selling bonds, funds, and other such assets with the same ease with which one can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. But unlike standard public blockchains of today, Newrl is fully KYC compliant and regulatorily sound. That's how you can actually trade general assets on it. Now, we dream of a world where all investments are globally and easily accessible to everyone around the world, traded peer to peer, and settled instantly. Whether you're building a global macro ETF or an RE yield pool or just betting on some tech startups, tokenization can make it all feasible. And what's more, it can do it at all sizes. You don't have to be a billionaire's family office to have access of this sort. And we know that buying is only one part of the solution. You should be able to sell when necessary. Except for stock markets, liquidity in this general assets is next to nothing. And that's not for want of investors' need. It's simply that in a centralized setup of today, the creation of a new marketplace and promoting liquidity in it is very hard. But on the blockchain architecture, it's not that difficult. Marketplaces are easy to create, liquidity is easy to promote, as many cryptocurrencies have shown already. Now, combine the small ticket sizes with instant settlement in a P2P marketplace, and you can actually imagine a bustling market for almost anything. Imagine the versatility and flexibility of crypto trading, but for it transacting in general assets. Why tokenize? Because investing is a challenging endeavor for most of us. It's risky, cumbersome, complex, and the systems currently are geared towards high value investors who can spend the time and energy and money to navigate this jungle. For a small investor, most of the choices are just boiled down to mutual fund and a few fixed deposits. By tokenizing assets, we increase the access and liquidity beyond just the big investors and democratize investments. So it's high time that we actually utilize the power of this beautiful technology of blockchain and take it beyond cryptocurrencies into the general investing domain. Imagine being able to do an SIP not just of equity mutual funds, but of residential properties, Tesla and Apple stock, and yield assets like venture debt and so on, or being able to invest in your friend's startups for any ticket size and being able to sell it as and when needed. Now, there are benefits of tokenization beyond just transacting in them or transacting in these assets. The emerging domain of decentralized finance, DeFi, has demonstrated to us that the use of tokenized assets as collateral can be very useful for both borrowers and lenders because it's so easy and simple to enforce should the need arise. Now, loans themselves, which could be created through this route, are assets, which again can be taken to investors to evaluate for their portfolios. Tokenized assets are also very easy to advise on. We can design a unique investment fund for each investor based on his or her needs and no longer have to rely on a centralized fund manager to create new products. Now, all of this is a very ambitious endeavor. We are not going to do this by ourselves and alone. The whole idea of decentralization is to bring together an ecosystem of developers, users, product manufacturers, service providers to collectively create and promote these solutions. We are proposing Newrl as the meeting place for this grand project, and we have taken the first step. Now it's your turn. If you're a developer and would like to contribute to this project, we have some exciting new ideas to work on. If you're an investor looking to just familiarize yourself with how blockchain works and how it can revolutionize general investing, feel free to log into makemyfund.in and check out the tokenized government bonds that we already put up there as the demo tokenization. If you're an advisor to other investors, do talk to us about how you can broaden access to a whole range of assets for your investors through this. If you're a manufacturer of investment products, talk to us for how these products can be tokenized at the very inception and not just later on. And remember, almost any stock, fund, bond, loan can be thought of as a tokenizable asset. We are at Newrl.net on the web and reachable at connect@asqi.in for more details. Thank you for watching.